Solve the equation. The square root of x plus 1 is equal to 5 minus x. In order to solve this equation, we need to eliminate a radical sign, and we're going to do that by squaring both sides of this equation. So we'll take that left-hand side, the square root of x plus 1. We'll square it. And the right-hand side, 5 minus x, we'll square it as well. As we square this radical term, the radical disappears, leaving us with x plus 1. On the right-hand side, don't forget to FOIL this out. We have a binomial squared, and as we multiply that times itself, we will get a 5 squared, which is 25, minus 2 times 5 times x. That's a minus 10x, and a plus x squared. This leaves us with a quadratic equation. Let's put that in standard form, bringing everything to one side, setting it equal to 0 on the other side. I'm going to move that x squared term out to the front. Let's subtract x from both sides. Negative 10x minus x is a minus 11x. Subtracting 1 from both sides, 25 minus that 1 gives a 24. Let's continue to solve this quadratic equation then by factoring. This is going to factor as an x minus 3 times x minus 8. So using our zero factor property, x minus 3 is 0, or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 8. Now, as we square both sides of an equation, as we had to do in this example, we can sometimes produce a false solution, an extraneous root. So we need to go ahead and check both of these possible solutions. Let's check that value, x equal 3. Remember to go into the original equation, which was x, the square root of x plus 1 is equal to 5 minus x. Let's substitute 3 in for x. So is the square root of 3 plus 1 equal to 5 minus 3? That's the square root of 4, or 2. Is that equal to 2? Yes, that's true. That is indeed a solution. Let's check x equal 8. Substituting into that original equation, is the square root of 8 plus 1 equal to 5 minus 8? In other words, is the square root of 9, 3, equal to a negative 3? No, that's false. There we have an extraneous solution. X equal 8 does not satisfy the original equation. We just have one solution. Let's summarize by saying the solution set is the number 3.